Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be spilling some tea about Morphe. As you guys seen in one of my last videos, I did kind of a Morphe unboxing of my very first impressions of the Morphe products. Because I've never used them before, I've never seen the brushes or anything like that. So I did get some products from Morphe. In my last video, well, one of my last videos, and I'll put it up there for you guys to see it. But here's where it gets real. After experimenting with the Morphe palettes and overall the Morphe products that I've used, I do kind of have my more in-depth review, I guess we could put it. We're going to be spilling some tea today, so if you're interested, let's just keep watching. Okay, so now getting into this video, as you can tell from the title and the intro, we're going to be going over just the Morphe products that I've tried, that I've used, my love, if I hate or love them, and just how I feel. I am going to be doing a review. I'm ordering on Tuesday the Jeffree Star Morphe products, and then I will do another video talking about those products. So, let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to talk about the Artistry palette by Morphe. If you guys seen it in my last video, first thing that I don't like about the Morphe palettes, like these ones, is that since it's the plastic casing, it is a little bit harder to open. But this is the one palette that I have gotten. This is the 3502 Second Nature palette, and I got this because it was on sale, and I was like, well, it's gonna be my first Morphe palette that I really try, and we'll see how I like it. Now, I like the red shade, and I do like the orangey shades. I haven't played too much into the brown neutral shades, but as far as the toppers and the shimmers, I really do like those. But as I was doing some more research on Morphe's website, I noticed that a lot of the palettes are natural, neutral colors. So that's the only thing that I just don't understand. Their collabs, they have great colors and well, great color scheme and scheme and they have a really nice variety of colors. Like the James Charles palette, you have the whole rainbow, and I think that was the biggest thing when that palette came out, was that there was so many colors, but we'll get to that in a minute. So overall, this is just, I feel like this is kind of hard to create just a solid look with, if you only have this palette, because, now I can't open it again, because there's not too many, there's not really any kind of a light shade. The only light shade there is, the lightest of the brown shades there is this one right here. This one is a matte shade, and that's the lightest one for that, but then you have the light shimmer right here, but there's no really soft brown, almost nude type shades, I don't think. So if you do darker on the outer corner of your eye and then you do lighter towards the front, then I don't think this palette is the best for that, because that's how I usually do my makeup. But overall, I do like the palette. I like the packaging. It just scares me because I feel like the James Charles, because it's cardboard or whatever it's made out of, is the material. This one, you drop it one time, it's done. I just feel like it's gonna be done. So I like the colors in it, but I just feel like there should be more variety. But I feel like most of Morphe's palettes by themselves are very similar to this, and they're very earthy tones. Let's go ahead and do one thing really quick. So the Morphe sponge, this one is blue. It's a little bit dirty. I was trying to use it for something yesterday, some SFX stuff, and it didn't really work out too well. But I hate this sponge. I absolutely hate it. I've seen countless YouTubers rant and rave about this sponge, including Jeffree Star and James Charles, of course, and I don't like it. I don't know if it's because I've used the Real Techniques for so long, or it's just very hard to me. It's a very, very hard sponge. If you compare this to the original Beauty Blender, no. This is just so hard, it's so dense, and I feel like it really absorbs my makeup more than it spreads it. Like, I feel as if a full coverage foundation could go from full coverage to medium coverage with this sponge. So I don't like that. When I do get the Jeffree Star collection, I am going to try the Jeffree Star sponges in hopes that it's a little bit different, maybe. Hopefully it is a different type of sponge. But the way Jeffree Star rants and raves about this, I don't think so. And especially for the price point, I feel like I would spend the extra money on the original Beauty Blender or get several more Real Techniques sponges versus getting another one of those. So, Morphe, we're coming for you, sister, and we need you to get a new sponge. So up next, I have the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this stuff. This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. By far the best setting spray I've used ever. Okay, by far, because this really holds your makeup in place. As you can tell from my last video of me unboxing the Beauty Blender, well, not unboxing, just talking to you guys about the original Beauty Blender box I got. This, I went out and all I had done was my eyebrows and my foundation. I didn't have any lipstick on, I didn't have anything else. And this, it was so hot outside. So hot. And throughout the day, I sweat, but my makeup stayed exactly where I had put it. And I absolutely love that. It was amazing, and I didn't really think that I would get that out of this product, but I really do understand why so many people love it. And I think what I'm going to try next is the MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to try that and see, kind of compare the two. And I might do like half my face Morphe, half my face MAC, and see what the comparison is, and kind of do a day-to-day check-in and overall, you know, see how it goes. So that is a 10 out of my book. 10 out of 10 in my book. So I am going to be also getting the Starberry setting spray. I don't know how I'm going to feel as far as the fragrance of it, because I really don't like the fragrance of this one, but we're going to see. I do like the smell of artificial strawberries, so we're going to find out if this smells like a real strawberry or an artificial Hubba Bubba strawberry. So up next, we're going to talk about the James Charles Morphe palette. You guys know from my video that I was so excited to have this. Let me just dust this baby off a little. And as you can probably tell, since I have had this, I have used it quite a bit. I've tried to dip into almost every single shade. There is a couple shades that I have yet to use, but this is my only thing that bothers me. I like the variety, I like the shades, I like the colors. The only thing I wish this palette had was one shimmer shade for each category. So like, I wish there was like a yellow shimmer. The green shimmer is okay, maybe if it was a little bit brighter. There's two blue shimmers, that's okay. There's like the indigo one. I wish there was a pink shimmer. There is a purple, but there's not a pink. And there's a couple neutral color shimmers, as well as, oh, I'll go back to that. The red shimmer is okay. I wish there was an orange one. The orange one that's there, it's more of like a pastel red to me. So I'm kind of about that. This color right here, guys, this color right here does absolutely nothing on my eyelid. Absolutely nothing. And I just swatched the wrong one. What is this color? Right here. Did absolutely nothing for me on my eyelid. And you guys seen the video, I've never been more hyped for anything in my life than getting these products. And I'm not disappointed because I am wearing the James Charles palette all over my lips today to go with my Teen Hearts alien shirt. And I like that this is magnetic shut, and I do like the overall packaging of this. It's very sleek and nice. The only thing I really also don't like is that it gets dirty so easily. But I mean, I guess that happens. But, and I feel like it's so easy to do the same looks over and over and over again. And I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone, use it for different things. I've used it for character makeup, I've used it for a couple other things, and I do like it that way, but I just feel like sometimes you run out of ideas because you can only use certain shimmers with certain looks and stuff like that. Next I want to talk about the Morphe brush set that I got. The Morphe brush set, I do like these. I like these a lot. The only thing that I had a couple issues with is, I have hair attached to like every single one of these brushes, is that at first I was like, oh, I've seen the reviews, these brushes don't have fallout. The brushes itself, not all of them are the greatest. Some of them do have some hairs that come out here and there, and I feel like being that the Morphe brushes are so much more expensive than your regular e.l.f. brush. e.l.f. I expect this to happen to because they're very affordable brushes, they're drugstore brushes, and it doesn't. It does not even happen with e.l.f. brushes. And it's very disappointing because you pay for higher quality products, and certain of these brushes, I feel like you're not getting that much higher quality. My favorite brushes so far have been the M213. We're gonna go the M573. The M432 is really good for cutting your eyebrows. I feel like I've been more leaning towards my favorites being the shorter brushes. So the M506. This one was okay today. The M330. I like the E18. And I really love the E36. And this one is really good, the M433. And today I kind of started to like more of the M441. And I like these two, the E22 and E27, I don't really like them, mostly because they're a little bit chunkier as far as the actual like brush handle, so I don't really like that too much. But overall I just like the shorter, stubbier brushes, maybe because I have more control. Their eyebrow brush is okay. I wish this was just a little bit thinner. I am going to try to compare this to the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I am going to go ahead and get that as well and see. And last but not least, we have the Life's a Drag palette. I know this isn't Morphe brand, but I did buy this from Morphe.com. And this is made by Lunar Beauty, and it's Life's a Drag color palette with their collab with with their collab with Manny MUA. 733. And overall I have been kind of leaning towards this palette a little bit more lately as far as the neutral colors go. I've been recently exploring with these. Like, I'll combine some of these colors to go with the James Charles palette, and I feel like those work very well. I like the purple in this one, and the Lunar Manny anyway, Life's Drag, whatever the heck it's called, better than I do like the purples in the James Charles palette. So I like that Lunar is selling some of their products on MORPHE.com so that I can kind of combine all the cards. Don't got away, I can get it all at the same time. But overall, I like MORPHE products, but I feel like for the price that you're paying, and a lot of people go to MORPHE for their first more expensive makeup products like I did, that I would expect a lot more out of them. For them to be affordable, but a little bit pricier affordable, not drugstore affordable, but lower high class makeup affordable, then I do expect more. But maybe it's just the stuff that I got, or I don't know. But MORPHE, get together. So that is my updated review of the MORPHE palette. Well, MORPHE products, excuse me. So make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Okay. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next, and make sure you check out my last video, which was my beauty blender unboxing. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I want to say I'm thankful right now, guys. So my last video, within about an hour of posting it, we had already had 3 views. And I have premiered the video hoping that that would give us a little bit more views, reach out to a broader spectrum of audience, and I do think that that did work, and I really do like that. If you guys like watching the premieres, I've never heard of any other YouTuber doing it. They may have, but I've never seen it. Let me know, and then we will do that more often. But you guys have a great day, and we will see y'all later.